How you doing? This is Dan from Happy Ebikes. I don't usually build bikes, but I'm going to show you how to unpack it, and then we're going to have James come here and assemble the bike. I'm just going to get it ready for the professional. I've taken off the straps. This particular bike is called the Happy Ernie, and it's double boxed for more protection. So I like to cut them open by using a box cutter. Go across the top, and then go down the sides. It should pop open. As you can see, it's a double box. And here is your Happy Ernie matte black color. And we're going to start cutting these zip ties away. And it's pretty much ready to go now for James.
James here with Happy Ebikes. Today we're going to assemble an Ernie. Start off by installing the handlebars, then the front wheel. We'll do the pedals, battery, fender, and rear rack. So let's get started on the handlebars. You'll need a 6mm Allen key to remove the top plate. Just kind of get these started. And you can move your handlebars into place. So once you have all these good and secure, then I like to install the front wheel. And you'll need to remove 2 items for the front wheel. Pedals on our Ernie, and they're marked on the end with an L and an R. It's also 15mm. But the left one is reverse threaded. So it'll also screw toward the front of the bike, and it screws on. Alright, let's install the front tire on our Ernie. You're going to want to aim your disc toward the disc brake caliper as we lift up the front tire. And once it rests in there, you can let the bike lean over on the kickstand. And then make sure your tire is sitting in the center. A little line right down here should line right up with that. For your fender, 1 tab on each side of the crown. Get this aligned. You have your bolt and washer straight through, and then on the back side another washer and the nut. And you'll need your 5 Allen key and your 10mm wrench. Get it where it starts to become tight, and then you can align it. And then finish tightening. And nice and tight. And this is to protect your derailleur if your bike falls over. And that's what these 2 bolts are for, to hold that in place. And so for your battery, you're going to want to aim this piece right into there, and then it'll just lock into place. And then here on our handlebars, just making sure that everything is tight. Sometimes they come a little bit loose from the factory. Your bell takes a Phillips head screwdriver, and then you can adjust your display so that the view is how you like. And then once you have that set, and a 3 Allen key. And also with your brake levers, if you want to rotate them up or down, you'll need a 4 Allen key, and you can just loosen the top bolt, and now you can put this where you like it and then tighten it back up. And then the same with your shifter. Also is a Phillips head screwdriver. For a bonus, we're going to put a rear rack on this one. And for that, we'll have to remove the seat. Same 10. So you'll need to remove the rear light. It's an 8mm. So this is going to be one of the mounts for the rear fender. And this bolt will go through here. And then these will be secured with your seat bolts. Reattach our rear light. And then it does come with some zip ties, so you can tie it down. And then just trim off the extra. Boom!